Sure, here's a short comedy script for a skit titled The Misunderstood Meeting. Title: The Misunderstood Meeting. Characters: Bob, the enthusiastic team leader; Alice, the sarcastic team member; Charlie, the confused intern. Setting: a conference room with a whiteboard, a round table and chairs. Scene opens with Bob standing next to a whiteboard, marker in hand, looking very excited. Alice and Charlie are seated at the table, looking bored. Bob, excitedly: "All right, team. Today, we're going to brainstorm some fresh ideas for our new project. Let's get those creative juices flowing." Alice, dryly: "Oh, I can't wait to see where this goes." Charlie, whispering to Alice, "Do we even know what the project is?" Alice, whispering back, "I think it's something about improving office morale. Or maybe organizing the supply closet. Who knows?" Bob, ignoring them, "Okay, first idea. How about we start with a team building exercise? Something fun and engaging." Alice, sarcastic: "How about a nap competition? First one to snore wins." Charlie, confused: "Do we get prizes for that?" Bob, laughing: "Oh, Alice, always the jokester. But seriously, any ideas?" Charlie, what about a scavenger hunt? We could hide stuff around the office." Alice, "Yeah, like our dignity." Bob, enthusiastic: "That's the spirit. A scavenger hunt. Write that down, Charlie." Charlie, scribbling on a notepad: "Got it. Scavenger hunt, dignity." Bob, still excited: "And we could have themed days, like Crazy Hat Day." Alice, because nothing boosts productivity like wearing a sombrero at your desk. Charlie, thoughtfully: "I have a chicken hat. Would that work?" Bob, "Perfect. And what about karaoke night?" Alice, mocking: "Nothing says team bonding like forcing your co-workers to listen to your off-key rendition of Bohemian Rhapsody." Charlie, "I actually sing pretty well." Bob, pats Charlie on the back: "See, Alice, Charlie's got the right attitude." Alice, sighs: "Fine, karaoke night it is, but I'm not singing." Bob, determined: "Great. Now, let's think about how we can implement these ideas in a way that maximizes engagement." And Bob's phone rings loudly. He answers it. Bob, into phone: "Hello. Oh, hi, boss. What?" "The project is to increase our online presence, not office morale." Got it. Thanks." Bob hangs up, looking deflated. Alice, smirking: "So, Crazy Hat Day won't help our online presence?" Charlie, innocently: "We could post pictures of us in the hats online." Bob, perking up: "You know what, Charlie? That's not a bad idea." Alice, laughs: "Well, I guess we've got our first online campaign. The most ridiculous hat contest." Bob, writing on the whiteboard: "Most ridiculous hat contest. All right, team. Let's make this happen." Scene fades out as Bob continues writing and Alice and Charlie exchange amused looks. Feel free to modify or expand on this script as needed. For